Auto-electric circuits. This document explores the unique characteristics of automotive electrical circuits, highlighting their low voltage, high current capabilities, and the specific components that make up these systems. Understanding these peculiarities is essential for anyone involved in automotive maintenance or repair, as they play a crucial role in the overall functionality of vehicles. Low voltage. Automotive electrical systems operate at low voltage, which significantly reduces the risk of electric shock. This characteristic makes it safer for technicians and users when working with or around these systems. High currents. Despite the low voltage, auto-electrical systems can deliver high currents, often exceeding the 15 amps typically available in a standard home outlet. This capability is essential for powering various components and systems within the vehicle. Direct current. The current in an automotive electrical system is direct current, DC, contrasting with the alternating current, AC, found in most household electrical systems. This distinction is important for understanding how automotive components are designed and function. Alternator. The alternator is a vital component that generates electricity to power the vehicle's electrical systems. It converts the alternating current produced by the engine into direct current, which is then stored in the battery for use. Fuses and relays. Fuses and relays serve as protective measures for electrical components within the vehicle. Fuses are designed to blow and interrupt the circuit when they detect an overload, preventing damage from power surges. Relays function as switches that control the flow of electricity, ensuring that components operate safely and efficiently. 5 electrical circuits. The automotive electrical system is comprised of 5 primary circuits: charging, starting, ignition, lighting, and accessory. Each circuit plays a specific role in the vehicle's operation, contributing to its overall functionality. Battery. The battery is the heart of the automotive electrical system, powering all electrical devices in the car through switches or relays. It is also responsible for starting the engine by supplying power to the starter motor. Conclusion. The auto-electrical system is a critical component of any vehicle, and understanding its peculiarities is essential for effective maintenance and repair. Regular checks and timely repairs are necessary to ensure that the car continues to run smoothly and efficiently.